Today we are solving for x, and the question 5 factorial equals 5x. While the exclamation mark looks like a punctuation, it represents a specific repeating multiplication operation in mathematics. Pause the video right now, evaluate the factorial in your head, and leave your value for x in the comments. Let's look at the exact step-by-step instructions to expand and isolate the variable. Before doing any algebra, we must evaluate the factorial term on the left. In mathematics, a factorial requires you to take the positive integer and multiply it by every descending whole number down to 1. This means 5 factorial expands directly into 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Let's rewrite our entire equation by replacing the factorial symbol with its fully expanded product layout. This gives us the expression 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 5x. Now we can apply an advanced cancellation shortcut to isolate x instantly before doing any large multiplication. To isolate the variable x, we must perform the opposite operation of multiplication by dividing both sides of the equation by 5. Notice that we have a factor of 5 on the far left of our product string and a coefficient of 5 on the right. Dividing both sides by 5 allows these common factors to cancel out completely. This simplifies our running equation down to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals x. Now we can do the final arithmetic step by multiplying the remaining factors together. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 12 times 2 gives us 24. Multiplying by 1 keeps the value identical at 24. This gives us our final total of 24.